Rahul Gandhi has been one of the most entertaining persons for the last 4 to 5 years, ever since he entered the political arena. With a great speaker like Modi as his competitor, Rahul has tried everything and in the process has been trolled and laughed at. But no one sees it this way. He has entertained Indians like none other. Today let's talk about some of his funny exploits with words. In this video, Top 10 Funny Goof-Ups by Rahul Gandhi. This is done just for comic purpose only. Number 10. India is bigger than US and Europe put together. Going by what he said, India now seems to hold the Guinness Book of World Record for the world's biggest country. Or what did he want to say? We will never know.
There is no other country, no other democratic country in the world the size of India. In fact, India is bigger than Europe and the United States put together.
Number 9. This morning I got up at night.
This morning I got up at night. 4 o'clock in the morning I got up and went to the balcony.
In the speech, he says something that bothers him big time. And then, after a long pause, he said this. And if this did happen, it is really worrisome. Armageddon is upon us. Number 8. Need for proper education, or did he just get the concept wrong? In 2 of his speeches, Rahul Gandhi got this aspect wrong after saying that 2 out of 1 child are malnourished in Gujarat.
और एक में से 2 बच्चे भूखे हैं, malnourished हैं.
He did the same in Punjab and said 10 out of 7 people in Punjab are into drugs. Harvard or no Harvard? That's not the question. School or no school? That's the question. Number 7. Steve Jobs was from Microsoft.
I think one day you're going to run this country, you're going to run the institutions, you will be, the Steve Jobs in the Microsoft.
An Antaryami who predicted the merger of Apple and Microsoft. That is going to happen in 2050, in 2016 itself. Isn't he brilliant? Number 6. When he used the escape velocity of Jupiter to explain a Dalit's plight.
दलित कम्युनिटी को इस धरती पे जुपिटर की एस्केप वेलोसिटी की जरूरत होती है.
Wow. Even ISRO scientists were baffled by his knowledge. The only one who understood him was Christopher Nolan. Now, the next 5 are going to be his misunderstood references or anecdotes. Number 5. He was talking about how the poor should be uplifted in a CII meeting. And he talked about a story of how he was telling about the tide of growth that India is soon going to float in. That's when a poor lady said, Rahul Bhaiya, पर हमारे पास तो नाव ही नहीं है. The idea is there somewhere, but a bad metaphor at the wrong time to the wrong people for sure. Number 4. This was trolled a lot when he wanted to say that he would bring about the change to India and make everything work.
इसके दूसरी तरफ से हमें सोने की प्राप्ति होगी. इसी कारण से अब हमें पता चला है कि कैसे हमारे स्वर्णकार भाई इससे सोना से देखिए सोने की पत्री देखिए आप सोने की पत्री.
He would make India work and that once he touched everything it would turn into gold. But to say that he used a metaphor. But why? No idea.
ऐसी मशीन लगाऊंगा, इस साइड से आलू घुसेगा, उस साइड से सोना निकलेगा.
He actually said, ऐसी मशीन लाऊंगा, इस साइड से आलू घुसेगा, उस साइड से सोना निकलेगा.
इस साइड से आलू डालो, उस साइड से सोना निकालो.
Number 3. गुजरात को खड़ा कौन किया है? गुजरात को अमूल किसने दिया है? गुजरात को दूध किसने दिया है? दूध दिया है तो इस तरफ देखिए, इन महिलाओं ने दिया है.
गुजरात को अगर किसी ने खड़ा किया है, गुजरात को किसी ने खड़ा किया है, गुजरात को अमूल दिया है, गुजरात को दूध दिया है, तो इस तरफ देखिए, इन महिलाओं ने दिया है, गुजरात की महिलाओं ने दिया है.
The ladies on that side did not know whether to proudly stand up or cover their faces in embarrassment. Number 2. It's so true that politics is everywhere. But just think before you talk something like this, Papuji.
Politics is everywhere. It's in your shirt, it's in your pants, it's everywhere. The laws that politics makes define what you do.
Politics is everywhere. It's in your shirt, it's in your pants.
This is a fundamental problem. And what we're doing is we're trying to solve that problem.
Number 1, Amma Indira Canteen. Amma Canteen came up with a 1 rupee idli and 5 rupee meals in Tamil Nadu concept. And after the super success of this, Congress decided to copy that and make Indira Canteen in Karnataka. Rahul Gandhi came for the launch. First, he mistook launch to be lunch and didn't prepare any speech. So when he got the mic, he mistook Bangalore to be Karnataka and said that all cities in Bangalore should have this canteen.
Over the next couple of months, every single city in Bangalore.
And to top that, he said the original name Amma Canteen instead of Indira Canteen.
Under Siddaramaiah ji's government, I simply cannot go hungry. That is the vision of the Amma in Indira Canteen.
We know making fun of people is wrong, but we wanted to smile and laugh a bit. Okay, now we are not pro-BJP or against Rahul Gandhi. Just to counter this video, we have decided to make another video on some of the brilliant comebacks of Rahul Gandhi. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, share it with your friends and family, and don't forget to subscribe to Simply Chumma.